brought up a good point. A lot of you may have difficulty if you've got an older battery getting the car to crank.
Yeah, it might be one of those days where you really just push it over the edge, where it was starting slow the last couple of weeks, and this might be the morning. So
we wish you luck.
Not the case. Yeah, good luck certainly. And it's more the wind chills than anything that you're going to be finding. Before you head out the door, though, certainly suggest the sunglasses today. 'Cause with all that snow, the sunshine we're expecting, the glare will be kind of nasty out on the road. So just be prepared. And, you know, looking outside right now, the one thing with the snowpack is that it's going to help keep temperatures down. You know, we're going to bring the sun up today, mostly sunny skies through a good stretch of the afternoon. But with that snowpack, there just isn't much available ground to really absorb it and warm up and then warm up the air above it. So really that snowpack will help to keep us, let's say, on ice through a good stretch of the day today. Could find at least a few lake effect clouds here and there, possibly a flurry. That's about it. Some drier air is going to be heading in. That's really going to limit that, along with the ice certainly on Lake Erie. Temperatures right now really on the cold side, especially once you get into the southern tier and into northern Pennsylvania. Look at that, -9 in Bradford, PA. That's actually up a degree from the last hour. It was -10 there, -8 in Olean, 0 here in Buffalo. Compare those numbers to this time yesterday, and just for reference, if you were, let's say, overdressed yesterday, you might be just right. Today, we're 18 degrees colder than this time yesterday here in Buffalo, and I wanted to show this more for Bradford, PA, and Olean. Well more than 20 degrees colder at this time. All right, wind chill warnings in place all of western New York. They go until 11 o'clock this morning. Southern tier and beyond, they're actually going to extend them into the first half of the day tomorrow. To the north, still some advisories to go beyond it. But I just want to start with this morning, because if you can at least get the day started, again, you'll be doing all right. Again, we are talking about some pretty brisk winds, and this is what's really bringing the temperatures down into the dangerous level. You're looking at some cold numbers for sure, but 18-mile-per-hour winds out of the southwest in Niagara Falls, that's what's really going to bring in the true cold. Southwest is likely to be the predominant direction during the daytime today, so I don't expect to see too many issues with the snow along the lake shores of Lake Ontario. As mentioned, a flurry here and there, possibly a few lake clouds, but other than that, you're talking about cold temperatures and at least some sunshine to make it look a little bit nicer as you look out the window, make that deceiving look out there. -24 right now in Niagara Falls. That's the wind chill. 21 below here in Buffalo, 24 below in Jamestown. So pretty much as expected this morning, that cold air is really locked in, and this is exceptionally cold air. And if you remember yesterday, we had some of that snow. Well, that was along a frontal boundary that, let's say, helped usher in some of the cold air. It's pushed well down to the south. And look at the snow that we're dealing with from Texas through Louisiana, Mississippi, even in Alabama, North Georgia. A few areas in the Carolinas are likely to get a couple inches out of this. So epic snow for them here in Buffalo, New York. Not dealing with snow, aside from a flurry here, too. Notice, though, Lake Ontario is active. It's just with the west to southwest winds, so it's more over into the Tug Hill Plateau where you're seeing the actual snow, as opposed to western New York, where you see some nice breaks in the cloud cover. That's going to set us on track to get some of the sun today. Notice a few of the very light snow showers, mostly north of the coastline. Just wanted to show those, and I'll continue to keep an eye on it today, but I don't expect to see much snow at all. The one thing you may find, though, is blowing snow out on the roads. Not exceptional gusts, but still even the mid to upper 20-mile-per-hour range may be enough to just take some of that snow from the side of the road and push it onto the road surface. So be safe out there. Could easily find some slick spots this morning and again tonight. Still breezy out there with temperatures to 0 or just below, but the winds still a factor. So it's just going to be breezy, just breezy enough today, tonight, tomorrow, and even into early Thursday to keep those temperatures feeling quite a bit cooler than the numbers that are posted here for the actual daytime highs. But at least by Thursday, getting the numbers into not just the double digits, but the mid-20s. Thursday evening, our next chance for at least some light snow showers. Could have a few more on Friday, and really into Saturday, our next system rolls in with temperatures that look absolutely amazing, but that's the average for this time of year.